You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 50, creating a problem ticket. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am already logged in as Bill Walsh. Now let's click on Jira Service Management. And on top, next to navigation, which is search bar, we will click on create and we'll select the work type as problem. We'll select on behalf of Brian Tracy. We'll give summary as frequent network disconnection impacting multiple users. We'll provide a description. Scroll down. Description. Further, we are going to give investigation reason, high impact incident, urgency we are going to give as medium, impact we are going to give moderate and limited, and then we are going to click on create. And now we need to perform the next task. Let's see that. We are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management and we are going to click on problem, expand problem, click on default, click on open problem. Here we have the problem that we have created. Open this. Okay. Now we have an option link work item. Click on the drop down. Let's do that again. Click on yes. Now we are going to select from here. We will select relates to. Okay. Let me show you once again. If I cancel it and I click on link work item, from drop down we need to select relates to, and then we will search for unable to access internal application, and then we are going to click on link. On frequent network disconnection, the problem that we have, we are going to add an internal note under activity. We'll say that further investigation and resolution are in progress. Click on save and refresh it. Here you see a incident which is linked over here. We have added an internal note or internal comment, and that's it. With this step, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.